Today, Sophia and Alex are at the supermarket for their weekly shopping.
Do we have the shopping list, Alex?
Yes, I have it right here. Wait, no, you have it.
Oh, you're right. It's in my hand.
Should we get a big trolley or just a basket?
Definitely a trolley. We need a lot of things today.
All right, I've got one. This wheel is a bit squeaky.
It's fine. Let's start with the fresh produce.
Lead the way, Captain Sophia.
First on the list, apples, bananas, and some carrots.
I hope they have those nice organic ones we like.
We'll see. Let's go. Look at these apples. They look very fresh.
How many should we get? 5 or 6?
Let's get 6 for you and 3 for me.
Great. What about bananas? These ones are a bit green.
That's okay. They will ripen in a day or two.
Good point. I'll put a bunch in the trolley.
Don't forget the carrots. We need them for the salad.
Do we need a whole bag or just a few?
Just a small bag. About half a kilo should be enough.
Got it. Anything else from this section?
Maybe some spinach and a head of lettuce.
Okay, adding them to the trolley now.
We need milk. Do you want whole milk or semi-skimmed?
Let's get semi-skimmed. It's better for my coffee.
All right. I'll take a 2-liter bottle.
Check the date, Sophia. We don't want it to sour tomorrow.
It's good for another week. Now, what about eggs?
I'm checking them now. No cracks in this carton.
Perfect. We need some Greek yogurt as well.
Plain or vanilla flavor.
Plain is better. We can add our own fruit.
True. I'll grab 2 large tubs then.
Wait, do we still have butter at home?
I think we're almost out. Let's grab 1 pack just in case. Can we get this one, Sophia? It has tiny marshmallows.
Alex, that's just a box of sugar. Look at the label.
But it's delicious and it's on sale.
How about we get these oats instead? They are much healthier.
Oats are boring. Can we have both?
Fine, but only 1 box of the sugary stuff.
Yes, victory is mine.
Don't get too excited. We also need some honey for the oats.
Honey is in the next aisle, right next to the jam.
Correct. Let's move on before you find more candy.
Too late? I already see the granola bars.
Keep moving, Alex. Keep moving. What should we have for dinner tonight? Chicken or beef?
I'm in the mood for some grilled chicken.
Okay, let's get a pack of 4 chicken breasts.
Should we get some bacon for breakfast tomorrow?
Only if we also get some lean turkey slices for sandwiches.
Deal. I'll put the chicken and the turkey in the trolley.
We also need some minced meat for the pasta on Wednesday.
Should I get the 500-gram pack or the 1 kilogram one?
The 500-gram one is plenty for the 2 of us.
Got it. Do we need any fish today?
No, let's stick to the meat this time.
All right, the trolley is getting quite heavy now.
Excuse me, could you help us find something?
Of course. What are you looking for?
We're looking for extra virgin olive oil. We can't find it anywhere.
Ah, we moved it last week. It's in aisle 4, right next to the pasta sauces.
Oh, that makes sense. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Do you need help with anything else?
Actually, do you have any fresh basil?
Yes, but that's back in the produce section in the herb corner.
I missed it. I'll go back and grab some. Thanks, Mr. Miller.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
He was very helpful. I'll wait here with the trolley.
I'll be back in a flash.
It's freezing over here.
Well, it is the frozen section, Alex. What did you expect?
I'm just looking for the frozen peas. Ah, found them.
Grab 2 bags. They're good to have for emergencies.
And since I'm already here, how about some ice cream?
It's not on the list, but okay. What flavor?
Mint chocolate chip? Or maybe strawberry?
Let's go with mint chocolate chip. It's your favorite.
You're the best, Sophia. 1 tub of mint chocolate chip coming up.
We should also get some frozen corn.
Okay, 1 bag of corn, and we're done with the cold stuff.
Hurry up before you turn into an ice cube. Okay, let's see. Fruits, milk, meat, cereal. I think we have everything.
The line is quite long. I hope it moves quickly.
It looks like the cashier at number 3 is very fast.
Wait, did we get bread? I don't see any in the trolley.
Oh no, we completely forgot the baguette for the cheese.
I'll run and get it. Keep our place in line.
Be quick, we're almost at the front.
I'll be back in 30 seconds.
He's always running in the supermarket. How embarrassing. At least he's fast. Oh, here he comes already.
Got it. 1 fresh baguette, still warm.
Good job. Now it's our turn.
Good morning. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, thank you. It was a very productive trip.
That's lovely to hear. These apples look delicious.
They are. We picked the best ones.
Do you have a loyalty card with us?
Yes, I have it on my phone. Let me scan it for you.
Perfect. That will give you some points and a small discount.
Every little bit helps.
It certainly does. Would you like any plastic bags?
No, thank you. We brought our own reusable bags.
Wonderful. That's much better for the environment. That's the last item. Your total comes to $68.50.
Whew, that was a big shopping trip.
My arms are going to be so strong after carrying these bags.
I'm just glad we don't have to come back for another week.
Me too, although I already want to eat that ice cream.
Wait until we get home. It will melt if we're not careful.
You're right. Let's load the car quickly.
I'll put the eggs and the bread in the front so they don't get crushed.
Good thinking. I'll take the heavy stuff.
And so, Sophia and Alex head home, ready to enjoy a week of healthy and delicious meals.
Thanks for helping, Alex. It's much faster with 2 people.
Anytime, especially if it involves buying chocolate cereal.
I knew it. Let's go home.